Hello guys, welcome back to another one. This is the second part of this Hyundai Veloster. This one, it was turning on the oil light, which I told you guys I was gonna say what it was. So right now I fixed the alternator, which it was giving me problems. I cleaned the injectors. That's gonna be another video so I can show you guys how to do it and stuff like that. But the issue on this one is the oil pressure, that it keeps turning on the light. So I'm gonna show you guys. Right now I got the alternator gauge, and this one is the oil gauge. So this one is the oil gauge. Right now, if you guys can see it, it's on 0. Over here it's not turning on the light. Not sure why. Oh, because I don't got the sensor, that's why. But look over here. So that means that the oil pump is working when you press the gas, but on low it's not working. So I'm gonna need to switch the side panel to put a new oil pump. This oil pump is gone basically. There's nothing else that I can do about it. So I'm gonna be showing you guys me replacing it and then putting it back in to see how much the other one works for. Alright guys, I just removed the engine. Now I'm gonna be removing this side panel. I'm gonna be putting the new oil pump, and I'm gonna show you guys the process.
Creeping through the door, they found the key to my mind, hidden on the floor. I tried to scream, but my voice was gone. And they stole every part of me I used to own. Never been before, never been before.
Alright guys, now I'm gonna check if we got oil pressure. The gauge cracked earlier. Okay, so the car is already heat up. So earlier at this same temperature it was going all the way to 0. Right there. Usually these cars they run around like 10 to 12 in low RPM, which is kind of bad. That's how they usually run. So there you go guys, if you guys got this type of issue, you guys already know how to fix it. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.